here at the Umpqua Valley Farmers Market to purchase some delicious, fresh, local produce to make a recipe for you. I have a few helpers that are going to be helping me out today. Come on in, guys! This is Chriset and Ben, and they're going to be our shoppers and our demonstrators for our recipe later today.
Salad?
Heck yeah!
All right, good. Let's do it. You got mint? Right here. This looks amazing.
Let's go get this cooking.
Let's get it.
Hey everyone, now we're here in this beautiful kitchen to prepare our produce that we bought at the farmer's market with Ben and Chriset. We're going to be making an awesome stir fry and a beautiful salad.
Smash up these garlics and chop them up for our stir fry. What I like to do is just...
It's the most satisfying part about cutting garlic. You just get to take this beautiful zucchini, chop it here in half, like so. Isn't that pretty? Now we're gonna flip them over, get our chop on like this, maybe 1 to 2 centimeters, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch, all the way down. We have our cauliflower and our broccoli florets. We're going to chop these up and get them ready for stir fry. Here's a little tip when it comes to cutting your fresh cauliflower. Flip it over on the underside and sort of carve it up this way. See how that comes off nice and beautiful like that?
I've got this lovely bunch of onions and I'm just going to chop them up and we're going to throw this in our stir fry. And then I think we're going to use some of the tops in our salad too.
This is our beautiful red mushrooms here. We're going to chop these up and get them ready to stir fry. No question where rainbow chard gets its name from. Now we're gonna chop this up and throw it in the stir fry. We have our beautiful fresh basil. That's good stuff. We are going to get rid of the stems.
We're gonna throw these onions, we chopped them up, we're gonna put them in here with the olive oil in this hot pan and let them sear for a few minutes.
You can see the onions are softening up. We're going to go ahead and take this to the next level. Throw in some more fresh ingredients.
We got the greens and the charred stems a little bit separate. These are going to need to cook a little longer, so we're putting them in early. Yeah, these are pretty softened up now, so we're going to toss these things in.
That looks good.
It's getting nice and warm in here, so we're going to go ahead and add these beautiful mushrooms. All right, now we're going to add our fresh garlic.
Put it in there.
And the remainder of our ingredients.
These are the rainbow chard.
Now we got our fresh beet greens. So beautiful. Oh, look at, they're just getting everywhere. They just want to party. All right, y'all. And last but not least, one of my personal favorites. Fresh chopped basil. La cow.
Yeah.
This. Like so. And I think we're going to finish it with a touch of tamari sauce. If you have soy sauce or
Bragg's Aminos, those are good.
Thank you, Bragg's Aminos. Not to brag and boast.
This is gonna be so good with our rice.
Ooh. So we got
teaspoon of chili garlic paste, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. You can get your vinegar over at Urban Hood, our fresh farmers market. Balance the apple cider vinegar with some balsamic vinegar. A little sweet and sour mix going on here. Somebody called.
Hello? Robbie?
Did you call Robbie? Here we have our wonderful, beautiful, fresh kohlrabi. Kohlrabi.
We just peeled it, so now we're about to chop it up. We're gonna do little cubes for our salad. We chopped up these beets, and we're gonna put a little olive oil and roast them up. Just a little drizzle. A little pepper. And some salt.
These.
Whoa!
You like that?
That was amazing!
Thank you. These are lemon cucumbers, and we're going to slice them up and throw them in our salad. Let's go. We just rinsed off this beautiful salad. If you don't have a salad spinner, just as us, you can go ahead after you rinse it. Just give it a nice little 1-2 shake, little shimmy shake, and we'll be ready to eat. That's good. Now we are going to rinse our mint for the salad. And we're going to do one of my favorite little moves here, where we separate the mint from the stem.
woo!
Look at that.
Now we're getting ready to make the salad. So we've got the green lettuce. Put that in first. And
The onions.
yeah! Sprinkle me.
These are the tops of the onions that we chopped up and put in our stir fry.
Let's do some cubes. After that, these are the lemon cucumbers.
Next, we should get on the phone and call Robbie.
Kohlrabi, that's our joke.
Look at the mints. We're going to finish it with all of this deep red beets.
Oh my goodness, I am so ready to eat this. It's gorgeous.
Lovely. Just cooking this beautiful meal. Thank you, Ben and Chriset. We've got a beautiful salad here, an incredible stir fry, and some rice to put it on top of. It's time to dig in.
Favorite part.
All right.
Thanks for watching, everybody.